at the chunky boy. Look at all these
Y'all made us some
chickens.
eggs. It's my birthday. I need to tell y'all about this little devil right here. I'm never gonna unbig my bag if I have this. Get it. Get it.
Kristen. Next time, hold your bird dog, bend your left knee. If you want
Hi, baby. Don't eat my hair.
He's eating your hair.
Shift your look up. We're gonna shift our weight forward. Let the left foot go to the left, all the way to the left side. Bring yourself back to center. So trying to square your shoulders. Release and elbow up. You're gonna bring your knees together. Bring your palms in front of your shins, chin to chest, round up your upper body. Find the stretch. And on your exhale, you're gonna roll.
Oh, this is Thor. Were they Australian dwarf goats? I think so.
I don't know. Look at the little, he's just chilling like Zuko, girl.
So chill.
He is
Just
chilling.
like Zuko.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at those sweet little babies. Hi, Piggy. Hi, baby. Look at those sweet little babies. Oh.
Yeah, so if they're too big to be in the nursery, they just go hang out in the sanctuary. If they're too heavy for yoga, they'll be
Piggy.
tired just a little bit.
Hi, Piggy baby. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi, baby. Hi, babies. Hi. Oh my goodness. Hi, guy. Hi, sweetie. Hi. Hi, sweetie pie. He's like, I don't know about that. Hi. Ouch, he bit me. Look at the chunky boy. Look at those babies. Hi, sweetie. You won't get me again.
That's crazy how
Hi. Right.
big old goat balls.
Ew.
Why are they so big?
They're giant. Those guys' balls are dragging on the ground. That's wild.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God. This is what I'm here for, other than the goats. Hi, chickens. Look at those babies. Oh, hi, cuties.
I'm trying to get up out of here.
Right.
Let me bag up. Hi, little chicken.
Oh my goodness, look at that one. Pretty. Hi, look at this white and black one. Ooh, look at this guy. Hi, sweetie. They got a furry one. They got a furry one. Oh my goodness. Hi. So cute. Look at these.
We do also sell farm fresh eggs if you guys are interested. Tastes way better than that store-bought stuff, and it lasts longer and does.
She's getting us fresh eggs.
We're going to enjoy them so much. Thank you for all your hard work for these eggs.
Thanks, ladies.
We're going to put a lot of cheese in them.
She came out like, what's up? Oh my goodness. Can I take you home?
Can I have it?
Oh, it was a mouse. Fresh eggs. Hi, sweetie pie. Hi, baby.
Thank you.
Look at all these
Y'all made us some
chickens.
eggs.
Good morning, beautiful dreamers. It's my birthday. So it's September 25th. It is officially my birthday. Y'all, Goga was so much fun. Oh my God, I'm so glad I did that for my birthday. It's something I always wanted to do and I just never like looked into doing it. Y'all have to try it. If you've never done anything, I know they have like puppy yoga. I think they might have kitten yoga. Maybe I saw that on Instagram. But the baby goat, the dwarf goat yoga, oh my God, they were so freaking cute. Okay, so where we went, I don't know if I mentioned it before, we went to a place called GGA Dwarf Goat Yoga, and it's in Tucker, Georgia. Oh my God, it's like the cutest thing ever. It's basically like a mini little farm. Oh my God, I tried to capture as much as I could, but I was just having so much fun. They had the chickens, I love chickens, like, I really love chickens. They had the little dairy cow, they had a pig, a bunch of goats. Oh my God, y'all, it was just so much fun. There was a couple goats there. We were vibing instantly. Purple, the one with the orange and white striped shirt, Purple, a little naughty, but that was my girl. Purple was cool. She like, we vibed instantly. She was around me for most of the time, which was really cute. She was next to me like eating the little grass and the little leaves and stuff. Thor though, Thor was my homie. He was chilling. He was the chillest of all the goats. He was the one that had the little Hawaiian shirt on. The clothes, y'all, I could not with the clothes. Oh my God. And then is it Munch? I think Munch was the black one with a little bit of white. Munch was staring into my soul, y'all. But Munch was a sweetie. Munch, like, I looked up at one point when I was doing one of the little yoga moves, and Munch was just like, my sister was like, why is he staring at you like that? And I was like, I don't know. So I tried to pull out my camera and show y'all. And then he started walking towards me. But y'all, Munch was just like staring at me for a good minute. Munch was like, so I don't know what that was about, but Munch was cool. We just had so much fun. It was like the best experience ever. So I will definitely be going back. They have like membership programs and everything, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna join. And on top of it being goat yoga or goga, the yoga class was actually really, really good. Like, usually yoga kind of hurts me. I want to be a yoga girly, but like, it's usually a lot of pain involved. It's not a lot of relaxation for me. But it was a really good class, like really good deep stretches. The instructor, I can't remember her name. I feel so bad. I'm gonna have to put it down below, all the information, but she was so good. She was so sweet. Everybody was super sweet there. It was just an amazing experience. I would highly recommend, and I'm definitely going back. They have the goat yoga. They have Reiki with the goats. They have hugging cows. You can like go hug a cow. They have a little cow session. They have like a bunch of different things there other than goat yoga. So if you don't want to do like yoga and you just kind of want to chill with the goats, they have like a goat Reiki class. Like, it's so cute. I have everything linked below. It was like the best time. Me and my sister had so much fun. We're definitely going back. We got some fresh eggs, which I'm gonna have for breakfast because they were like raving about how amazing they taste. Like, way better than the ones from the store, obviously, because they're fresh. So I'm excited to try those this morning. I'll let y'all know how that goes. So I will say it wasn't like a huge major difference, but I did notice they were like less slimy than store-bought eggs, but they were very good and very fresh. But yeah, on the docket today, it's kind of gloomy outside. There's supposed to be like a hurricane coming. It's not funny, but like, it's crazy. And it's so good because I had scheduled the goat yoga for after my birthday. And then I saw it was gonna be raining. I didn't know it was a hurricane, but I saw it was gonna be raining, and I didn't want to be like out there with the goats because they do have classes in the rain. But I didn't want that to be my first experience and be like all muddy and stuff, which is good because we got to walk around the farm a little bit, and so we wouldn't have been able to do that with like the rain and stuff. The animals probably would have been like in shelter. So I'm so glad I was able to change our appointment. It was so good. It was so fun. And something that I love, when I was scared to like
record or like take pictures or anything, but that was like the first thing they said when we got there, that they highly like suggest that, and they'll help you. Like if you put your phone out in front of the mat, they'll take pictures of you and like for you while the like goat is on your back and stuff. So yeah, as y'all saw, it was just a good time. They were so sweet. I can't rave about it enough. It was just amazing. It was so much fun. I'm so glad I did that for my birthday. Like I said, for today it's supposed to start raining. I have to go to the gym this morning. I need to go to Nothing Bundt Cakes because if y'all, I don't know if Nothing Bundt Cakes is everywhere, but if y'all have a Nothing Bundt Cake, it's a thing. Every year for my birthday, I have either a big Nothing Bundt Cake or just like a little small one for me because they are a bit sweet and they're a bit much, but I love them. My sisters actually turned me on to Nothing Bundt Cakes a few years ago in Houston, and I haven't looked back since. So they have right now their seasonal flavor. Well, their normal seasonal flavor is pumpkin spice, and they always have that. Amazing. But right now they have another like limited edition, like limited time seasonal flavor, and it is caramel apple spice, I think. Oh my God, that is everything that I love. So I'm gonna go get one of those for my birthday. I might do my little free food like birthday tour. We don't do Starbucks here, but Starbucks has a, is it caramel apple spice? It's like an apple cider type drink, and it tastes like liquid apple pie. So good. I've always gotten that on my birthday because I'm not a big coffee drinker, so I may go to Starbucks. We'll see. Krispy Kreme donuts. I think I get a free dozen for my birthday, so I might do that. This is sounding like a lot of sugar to start my day off, and that's not good. But I don't know. I'll see where the day takes me because the rain is about to roll in, and that might sound like a bad thing on your birthday, but I love the rain, so I am not mad at all. This is sounding like a perfect birthday. And I'm kind of tired. I just kind of want to chill today for my actual birthday. It's a Wednesday, so like not really much to do anyway. I might do some stuff later on in the week and on the weekend for my birthday. So I kind of just want to chill. Honestly, I probably will just get really cozy after I get my snacks and play my Switch because I've been playing Hogwarts Legacy and I'm still playing Animal Crossing, and that sounds really, really good to me right now. So I might just do that. But of course I will bring y'all along to whatever I do. So yeah, let's start this birthday. Okay, so me and my sister finished up in the gym and the rain has picked back up again. Yeah, we're about to run our little errands and get all those stuff. I'm gonna go get my drink, my birthday drink, and then I'm gonna go to Nothing Bundt Cakes to try the new Nothing Bundt Cake flavor. Oh my God, I'm so excited for that. And then, yeah, we're just gonna head home because I love the rain and all, but I don't like being in it. So I'm about to get real cozy, drink my little warm drink and put on a cozy movie, snuggle with Zuko, or maybe I'll watch Vampire Diaries and get all snuggled up with Zuko, and that'll be my birthday for today because this hurricane is coming. But I'll see y'all later. The strawberries and cream is so good. Oh my gosh. The snickerdoodle. We have a strawberry frosted Pop-Tart. Just putting in more caramel apple cider. I'm so excited. Pumpkin spice. Oh my God. All-time favorite. All right, y'all, so I'm finally home. I was out way longer than I wanted to be, but I'm home and I'm cozy and I got my big fluffy purple robe on, snuggling here with Zuko. He has his little Halloween jacket, his Halloween blanket. And yeah, we're just watching some Vampire Diaries and getting cozy, and I will be doing this probably for the rest of the evening because it's rainy and I don't feel like doing anything, and I don't have to because it's my birthday. This is why we're here. The shrimp Alfredo. Okay, so I'm gonna try this caramel apple spice. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so it's like, oh my God. So it's like a spice and sugar covered cake, and then their normal cream cheese frosting, and then more caramel on top of it. Oh my God, this is like their best flavor ever. So the strawberries and cream is really good. Their blueberry was good. And then they had like a salted caramel that was so good. And the pineapple upside down cake, oh my God, I think that might have been the best, actually. But this, it's between this and the pineapple upside down cake. Oh my God, this is so good. Wow, it's so moist. Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah, I'm gonna finish this up.
Ready? All right now. Oh, no, let it go, mama. Yay! Oh no! Get it, get it, get it, get it.
So I need to tell y'all about this little devil right here. This Bluebell banana pudding ice cream. My sister got this for me for my birthday, and y'all, this is a problem because I am never gonna unbig my bag if I have this in the house. This ice cream is so stinking good. I'm a Texas girl, so Bluebell is always the number one go-to anyway. And Ben and Jerry's non-dairy ice cream, oh my God, my favorite. But my Bluebell flavor that I usually go to is Millennium Crunch, but my sister has said something about the banana pudding flavor, and I couldn't remember if I had it. She swears I did, but I can't remember if I had it growing up. So she found this one, was able to find the last one at Kroger, and y'all, it's almost gone. It's only been like a day. I can't stop eating it. It is literally a problem, y'all. It is so good. It has the vanilla wafers cookies in there. It's just, it literally tastes like cold banana pudding, like thick cold banana pudding. It's amazing. I just had to share my new addiction with y'all so y'all could be addicted too. But yeah, try this flavor if you have never tried it. Oh my God, it's gonna change your life. All right, y'all. Zuka. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna end this vlog here. I hope y'all enjoyed watching. I had such an amazing birthday, and y'all, guess what? What are my gifts for my birthday? Y'all know I love me some BRATZ, and my family fully supports my foolishness and my shenanigans and my dog collecting that I have started up again. And they just released, well, not just released, maybe about a month ago, they released the they re-released the Summer Party BRATZ. So another one to add to my collection. I'm so freaking excited. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, follow me on social media, all that kind of stuff. Thank y'all so much, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye.